Why is Kerala called God's own country? Is it because of the rolling green hills, sprawling as far as the eye can see? Or is it because of the flowing lagoons, making their way from city to city? Is it because of the misty mornings, heavy with the scent of tea leaves? Or is it because of the meandering roads, passing through charming towns and creeks? Or could it be because of the cozy cabins where you feel a sense of complete enchantment after a backwater dive? Maybe it got this name from the floating houseboats that make you feel like there's no one but you for miles around. Or maybe it got this name from the meadows where your childhood can be found. I think it's none of these. I think God's own country, as surreal as it may be, got its name from the wonderful people who stay here and without a smile will never let you leave. They'll open up their hearts and welcome you with warmth, and it's a bag full of memories that you will take along.